Good morning. Okay, today we are going to be talking cookbooks. And we have several. We've actually cleaned out quite a few, but we do have those that we like to use on a regular basis. So today we're going to talk about 6 cookbooks, 5 that are kind of our top cookbooks, and then 1 that is going to get honorable mention because it's really not available anywhere that you'd be able to find it. So the first one is Amish Cooking Class Cookbook. And this one we enjoy, well, I mainly enjoy, because it has my sweet potato biscuit recipe in here. And I was thrilled also to find that my taco bake recipe that I was looking for the other day is actually in this book, so I have marked it. The next one is Better Homes New Cookbook. This one is probably, for me, about 40 years old. My mom bought this when I was getting married, and it has been used a lot. A lot of the pages are loosely falling out now, but anyway, this one I have really enjoyed over the years. This has my pancake recipe, waffle recipe, French toast recipe, muffins, meatloaf. So this one for me gets used a lot. The other ones that we use quite a bit are the Pioneer Woman cookbooks. We have all of them. We just really like Ree Drummond's cookbooks. And so, but these two have gotten used a lot in the past couple of years. This one is Dinner's Ready. As you can tell, we have recipes marked because this one is a go-to. They are easy to follow. I do improvise a lot. For me, sometimes a recipe is just kind of like a guide. So sometimes if I don't have something that the recipe calls for, I just kind of like, oh, I'll just throw in this. But we've really enjoyed the ones like with ground beef, surprise burgers is in this one. Just some really good, fun recipes. The other one that we really enjoy of the Pioneer Woman is Pioneer Woman Super Easy. As you can also tell, we've got a lot of these marked. Because it is one that we kind of go back to. It's got the white chicken chili. These are ones that also have other fun meatloaf recipes. There's one that we do on a sheet pan and it's done in the oven, of course. But just different ones. It also has some vegetable recipes that we use. So her cookbooks are really, really good. And like I said, we do have all of them. The 5th one that is our favorite is the Prairie Homestead Cookbook. And this one is Joe Winger. And she is also like Ree Drummond. They're on YouTube and they have podcasts and blogs. But anyway, this one is just so nice. I love the pictures in all of the Pioneer Woman in this one and even the Amish cookbook. Just have really great pictures. This one, it also gives the recipes for lard, bone broth. This has our favorite old-fashioned sausage gravy in this one. And it's got a pork chop one that we use, a chicken one that we use. So this one gets used quite a bit. I am going to say that a lot of these cookbooks, once Marissa gets married, she'll probably take them with her. So I do try not to get too much, wear and tear on them. But they are just really, really good. Now, the one that I did want to mention as an honorable mention, I have had since I was in high school. This was given to me by my home ec teacher, who was also my Spanish teacher, my Bible teacher in school. And as you can tell, it is really, wearing out. But this has my favorite biscuit recipe in it. And so I just love this cookbook. It also has some good tips and tricks, and just, you know, the one in here also I found last night was, you know, the happy home recipe for a happy home. So this one has really been a favorite for a very long time. I cherish this cookbook. Like I said, this is one that is not available anywhere unless you find a high school student from years gone by that went to Tabernacle. But anyway, so I did want to mention this one because this one has been used mainly for the biscuit recipe, but there's also some other good recipes in here that have been tried and true over the years. So I hope you enjoyed this little cookbook venture with us this morning, and I hope you have a wonderful week, and thank you so much for joining us today.